Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for civil engineers. So it's a great opportunity for you to work in Jharkhand Education Project Council. Now they have released an advertisement calling for diploma in civil engineering. So you can make use of it. So this is the official website of JEPC. So when you scroll down, you can see an icon called recruitment. You have to click on the icon recruitment. So there you can see various job opportunities. The second one we are going to see, that is recruitment of junior engineer on short term contract basis. So here you will be having an option to download the advertisement. Just click on this green color icon for downloading the advertisement. So this is the advertisement, official advertisement of the company, that is Jharkhand Education Project Council. Now they have released a notice for calling for those who have completed a diploma in civil engineering from recognized institute having a percentage of 55%. Total number of vacancies are 24. So in district level and 26 block level offices in Jharkhand. So last date for applying for it is 10/1/2022. You can apply through this official website they have given in the PDF. And when you scroll down, you can see the vacancies. There are two types of job. One is for district level and another is for block level. So for district level, you will be having 24 vacancies and block level 26. You will be getting a salary of 24 to 24,769. And here you will be getting a salary of same salary. So just see the basic pay will be approximately 15,000, and here also basic pay will be approximately 15,000. So for district means you will be put in Ranchi, Dhanbad, Bokro and Jamshedpur only. So you will also get some annual increment of 3% every year. So read all the instruction carefully. What education qualification you must have is, so you will be seeing the qualification years. You must have diploma in civil engineering for a minimum of 3 years and from any recognized university. So various category. So age limit is you must have minimum of 21 years and maximum of 35 years. You also have some age relaxation depending upon the community belonging to. You can, when you scroll down, you can see the reservation category, age relaxation, etc. And see here, this is the selection procedure. Candidates would have been shortlisting according to your qualification and also based on the written and interview both. So decision will be purely on committee. So in case if they want to reject, means they reject you, they can have the all rights to reject you. So other pay and allowances, whatever we seen in the tableau column, the same as it is. An application fee, you have to pay application fee of non-refundable 500 rupees, and you can pay through the credit card or net banking through the official website. It will be given here. And for scheduled caste and tribes, you will be have to pay 50% as mentioned. So approximately 250 rupees you have to pay. And eligible candidates have to serve in various location as per whatever we see here. See there. And last date for application applying for this post is 10/01/2022. 5 p.m. So you can use the website and apply for this job. So application received after stipulated date will not be considered, and application should be for only one post per a candidate. You can apply at a time 2 posts. So I hope so all the instructions are clear. If you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to civil graduates. They will be making the best use of it. Do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.